comes to pulao, I think there are different regions that make pulaus differently, and today we're going to try a very new variety or new recipe, which is Jodhpuri Kabuli, which is a Rajasthani style pulao. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Jodhpuri Kabuli Pulao, I'm going to deep fry all the vegetables, starting with onions. I've thinly sliced the onions. Remove the onions once they're a nice brown color. Next, I'm going to add the carrot slices. Fry them till they are a nice golden color. Remove them from the oil. Next, I'm going to fry the cauliflower pieces. 1 cup cauliflowers. Fry them till they're a nice golden color. Remove them from the oil. Next, I'm going to deep fry the potato slices. 2 medium-sized potatoes thinly sliced. The potatoes have turned to a nice golden color. Remove the potato slices and keep it aside. Start adding the bread pieces. I've taken 2 slices of bread and cut it into small pieces. You can either use white bread or brown bread. Fry them till they're a nice golden brown color. Once the bread pieces are a nice golden brown color and nice and crispy, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to roast some cashew nuts and raisins. The cashew nuts have been roasted to a nice golden brown color. Next, I'm going to roast the raisins. Once the raisins plump up, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to make the vegetable masala for the pulao. For this, I've taken 2 large onions roughly chopped, 3 green chilies cut into half, a piece of ginger roughly chopped, 4 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Grind everything to a nice fine paste. The masala paste is done. Now I'm going to make the vegetable gravy for the pulao. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this, add the whole spices, bay leaf. Now add the ground masala paste. Cook the masala till the raw smell goes. The raw smell is gone. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, salt 1 teaspoon. Mix everything. To this, add 1 cup of curd. I have whisked the curd nicely till it's nice and creamy. Cook the curd in the masala till the oil separates. You can see the oil is beginning to separate in the masala. Now I'm going to add all the other vegetables, starting with 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 small capsicum chopped, half cup cooked peas. Now add all the fried vegetables and the fried onions. Mix everything. The masalas come together beautifully. Close and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. The masalas come together beautifully. To this, finally, I'm going to add the roasted cashew nuts and the raisins, a few mint leaves, a few coriander leaves chopped, Turn off the stove. The masala for the pulao is done. Now I'm going to layer the pulao. Take a pot. First I'm going to add the vegetable masala. Divide the masala into two. We're going to make 2 layers. Next, layer it with 3/4 cooked basmati rice. I've cooked the rice with some whole spices. Next layer would be the vegetable masala. Just make sure you spread it out evenly. Add the final layer of rice. Turn on the stove, keep the flame on low. Now I'm going to top off the rice with some ghee. Add the saffron water. Next, add the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Add the fried bread pieces. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Close the pot and leave it on dum for about 20 minutes on low flame. Looking at the recipe, you probably know by now that how different this pulao is, and the preparation itself is definitely different from the usual pulaus that we make. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can have it with some nice raita by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.